Kaiser. What are you doing?
Just a regular day, driving around with...
My box full of puppets!
Does your dog have normal eyes, or does your dog have strangely human eyes that make you think he's trapped the soul of a human person inside of his body?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an awu?
Theodore, where's Chippy? Fifi, where's Chip?